I just wanted to make a quick video primarily to share a message and an intention into the universe and the world and to you. Um, Nothing fancy because this is just a home recording and I'm just gonna go ahead. But before I get to my message and intention, I'd like to answer a question that I've been repeatedly asked on my Facebook, which is what do I think will happen on the 21st of December 2012. Now, my answer to your question is that I don't have an answer, purely because of the way that I look at the future. Now, the way I look at it, the future is infinite possibility, infinite probability, and infinite reality. This is to say that whatever reality you shift your attention to will be the reality that you experience. Now, I do understand that a lot of us have put so much of emphasis and focus on this one date that something is bound to manifest, because energy flows where attention goes, but that something is probabilistic. What I mean by that is that at any given moment in time we have these array of choices that lead to different realities and different life experiences, but they all exist simultaneously in the present. For example, if you were walking down the street and you stopped, and now you have the option of going to the left, going to the right, walking straight ahead, or going back. When you stop in the moment, you realize that there are 4 possible realities and there are 4 possible choices, right? All those 4 possible realities were existing simultaneously in that given moment. So what you would have chosen would have unraveled this particular reality to you, but it was equally possible for you to have unraveled another reality. So this is what I meant by the future being probabilistic. Now I'll shift that particular understanding to the message of this video, the intention of this video, which is something that I would like to see happen in the future, which is the experience of the grand collective, the grand unity consciousness experiencing and sharing love, light, respect, transparency, authenticity, and connectedness. Which is what reminds me about this video that Jordan David had put up on his channel, which was a Google Hangout webcam chat that he had with these bunch of people who did exactly that. They shared information, they shared subjective experiences, they shared love, gratitude, and they sat in connectedness. It's that same feeling you get when you connect to somebody of the same thought process or the same wavelength, which is what I want to promote through this video. Now, life is a series of synchronistic events. Not some people's lives, everybody's lives is a series of synchronistic events. Now, if you're in alignment with the things that serve your highest good, then you will experience people, information, events coming into your life that will give you greater clarity in your journey and that will help you better in your journey. If you're out of alignment with that which serves you in your highest, you will still experience people, information, and events, but that will throw you way off balance and your path. Either way, the universe is always responding to you every single moment, and every single one of those people, experiences, and information has the capacity to provide you something of value and of learning. Now it is up to us to take that and learn from it as a gift and grow, or just to ignore it. Information, I see, is a brilliant way to give direction and pointers in our journey, as our journey unfolds, and to other people's journeys, which is why you will always find me pushing people to share more information that is based on light and love and positivity and good vibes that uplift people instead of propagandist fear-based videos that only put people in a place of fear. Which is why I appreciate so many of you for sharing videos, not just my videos, because like I've mentioned before, the message is the same. It exists already in the collective. It's just being carried out by different unique expressions of the same consciousness. And that is what the internet is actually. The beautiful thing about the internet is that it's a community of people who love to share their experiences. And video sharing forums are such beautiful creations to express yourself, body and like all the actions together, get that love flowing out into the world. Which is what brings me to my message of this video, which is that I think that it is time that we align ourselves to that which is in the greatest interest of our planet, and that which is in the greatest interest of the collective, living collective on this planet. I think it is time that we need to ask ourselves, what is it that we are doing that is helping the collective? Or what is it that we can do that is helping raise people up, or helping people help themselves and help other people? What is it that we can do that is truly resonating within us that can help people? Because what we need right now is more support, more light and love. Because if you want to bring more crap into society, you can just switch on the television. But if it resonates with you, my message of trying to bring, or our message, not my message, but the message of the collective that I was talking about, of uplifting human spirits instead of putting them in a space of fear and materialist possessions and all of that. If you want to shift that, then go ahead and share this information, not just my videos, but put yourself out on the internet and share your message as well. I'd like to end my video by saying that we live in a world and a generation where we know that a new world is as possible as an old one. Food for thought. I'm going to leave you now, sending you lots of love. Thank you for sitting and listening to me. And if you feel inclined to, please leave a comment or subscribe to this channel. And if anything that I said resonated with you, please share the message, share it everywhere. So share your message, not just my message. I want you to come out and talk about your message. And I know that there are a lot of you who wanted to come out and talk to the people about what you had to share. Don't let your inhibitions get in the way, because I'm not extremely comfortable in coming on camera and putting myself on YouTube, but I do it because this is how I believe I can help uplift people. So I'm going to end with that. Much love and peace out. Bye.